This is how you can turn your Bitcoin into cash. Oh, and the best part is that it is fee-free. You don't have to pay a single dollar to turn it into cash. And this is how. All right, now there's a couple different steps to this, but it shouldn't take more than about 5 minutes. Now, the first step is to download this specific app. Okay, now it is called Speedin. I think that's how you say it, but it is a special crypto wallet. So what you're gonna do is download and sign up for this app. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna click add funds and then add whatever cryptocurrency that you want. So all you're gonna do is just transfer it into this wallet. Now transferring it over here is absolutely fee-free. You know, when I first downloaded this app, you could only transfer Bitcoin, but now you could transfer a lot of stuff. So whichever crypto that you want to transfer, you just transfer it over. So for this example, I'm just going to click Bitcoin, and then this is the Bitcoin wallet address that you're going to send it to. Now, if you want to send me a tip for showing you how to do this, feel free. It'll be a link in the description. So whichever platform that you have, like let's say Coinbase or Binance or any of the wallets that you have, you're going to send the Bitcoin to this address. Now, once you do that, you're gonna see that there is funds in your account ready to go right on the home page. Okay, so for right now, I got $180.03. Now, let's turn it into cash. All right, so the second step is you're gonna click on the top right-hand corner. If you just scroll down, you can see all of the places of where you can spend this Bitcoin like cash. All right, so you could see that there's a lot of different places. You can go to Barnes & Noble, Baskin Robbins, Chipotle, Famous Footwear, GameStop, which is what we're gonna do, Nordstrom's, Office Depot, Petco, Regal. There's a lot of stuff. So for this example, we're gonna turn this Bitcoin into cash. So we're gonna go into a GameStop, and when we are there, we're gonna click on GameStop, and then we're gonna buy a gift card. We're gonna buy whatever gift card that you want. You can do Visa, you can do MasterCard, you can do it to a specific place, like let's say Starbucks. And then when you're in line, they will scan that code and that'll be your payment source. It's like a digital card essentially. Now they do have daily and weekly maxes, so just be aware of that. But essentially, that's it. All you gotta do is transfer your Bitcoin or whatever coin that you want to the Speedin app. Use that Speedin app at any of those stores and buy a gift card, and boom, you got some cash money, baby. And yes, I know it's not cash, but it's literally pretty much cash. All right, and that is it. That is all I got for today's video. Now, if you have any questions on anything that I said, you can hit me up in the email description or just drop a comment. I will get to everything. And again, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.